India has been a land of science, spirituality, and innovation from the very beginning. हमारी वेदास, हमारे उपनिषद में वो सब बातें लिखी हैं जो विज्ञान आज खोज रहा है, जिस पे आज शोध हो रही है. इंटरनेशनल योगा डे आने वाला है एंड योगा इज गिफ्ट टू द वर्ल्ड बाय इंडिया. आयुर्वेदा, इतने विभूति लोग हमारे देश में हुए, पतंजलि, पाणिनि. ये बुद्ध और महावीर की पावन भूमि है, राम और कृष्ण की भूमि है. We were very rich in innovation from the very beginning. If you do research on the Indus Valley civilization, a lot of things has come out. जो उनकी अर्बन प्लानिंग थी, you know, these chess was invented in India. हम जो बटन्स लगाते हैं कपड़े में, ये भी इंडिया में आई. जीरो, उसका आविष्कार इंडियन मैथमेटिशियन ने किया. सो इंडिया वाज द सेंटर ऑफ नॉलेज एंड स्पिरिचुअलिटी. ऑफ कोर्स, शून्यता. हैव यू एवर थॉट ऑफ कि ये शून्यता, नथिंगनेस, which we think is encompassing the entire universe, the entire multiverse, is basically a zero. These things are to be pondered upon, and this was a place जहां से ये जीरो की खोज होनी भी चाहिए थी. ये शून्यता, ये स्पिरिचुअलिटी, अध्यात्म विश्व को भारत ने दिया है. वी हैव गेन्ड नॉलेज एंड वी हैव शेयर्ड द विजडम टू द वर्ल्ड. Now, if you take a high vantage view, nowadays what is happening? So, innovation should be high on purpose, which can enable socio-economic transformation. But nowadays, this fast fame, frugal startups cannibalizing on the gig economy is not going to help us anymore. We should think of creating products which have global appeal. कोरोना टाइम पे हमने कोवैक्सीन बनाया, बहुत सारे देशों को कोवैक्सीन भेजा. हमारे देश के लोगों ने रिसर्च किया and they came out with this. But a situation prompted this to happen. In space technology, we are doing very good. Entire world is amazed to look at in what cost we have sent Mangalyaan, which still America and China are amazed how this is possible. And when they have developed DeepSeek in AI, they say that China can do it. India can also do it. हमने किया है, चंद्रयान में हमने दिखाया है कि कितने कम पैसे में हम कर सकते हैं. मंगलयान में कितने कम पैसे में हमने किया है. Our engineers are developing, and we will front heading this AI movement, this AI revolution. So AI is that technology which has the potential. It's such a democratized technology which has the potential to change the world. And India having huge demographic dividend, हमने DPI implement किया है, आधार UPI implement किया है, even vegetable hawkers are now using UPI, which the world is amazed to see, जो हमारे payment systems हैं. So AI has that potential to fuel this innovation, and we have that ecosystem in place which can facilitate this. You see, today the CEOs of all big IT companies are from India. It's a matter of great pride for us that engineers who have studied in ITs, IIMs are helping to create world class products and influencing the global economy. But it's high time to pay back. India needs them to fuel this indigenous movement of innovation, and that is the only way to make India great again.